So here is the fresh installation of 7-inch Android with the CarPlay and Android Auto for the Toyota Land Cruiser. So radio have all the modern features, steering controls work, you got external microphone for the best phone quality, you can use Google navigation, you can listen for the radio stations, you can save them with the stations names, also you can listen music from USB. What else? You got Android Auto, which one works with the phone, and you got Apple Carplay, which one works wirelessly, and what else? You got all the modern features. You can download any app you like, and even YouTube as well. You can listen and watch for the YouTube. Thank you very much.